Here's how to use the Kanban plugin in Obsidian. First, make sure the Kanban plugin is installed. Check the Community Plugins section in Settings if you haven't done this yet. Once installed, look for the Kanban icon in the left sidebar and click on it. An untitled Kanban board will open. Give it a name that matches your project or task. In the top right corner, click Add List to create your columns, for example, To Do, In Progress, and Done. Add as many lists as you need. Inside each list, click Add a Card to create tasks. Add as many cards as your project requires. To move tasks between columns, simply drag and drop the cards from one list to another. You can also change how you view your board by clicking the View icon in the top right corner and switching between Board, Table, or List View. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.